No.
What would you like me to do?
So today I painted that wall with some leftover paint from the chateau. It blends in quite nicely. Adrian didn't even realise. But I have never liked the mirror this way round. So now that we've moved the unit to that side, I'm asking Adrian to turn the mirror around.
So you want to go portrait?
And possibly put the sconce either side. 2 hooks, one each side. Easy peasy, turn it round. Put it on the chair and there you go.
About there?
It's really hard to tell.
But do you prefer it portrait with all that wall either side?
Well, there won't be a wall either side because there's going to be 2 sconces either side.
You can think about this. There's absolutely no rush at all.
Can everyone give us a comment?
I'm not hanging on that long. Yeah, I would like to know what people think. I love it. I actually really like it landscape. You much prefer portrait.
And look, when you put the chandelier on, you can still see it.
But I wonder, the reason I don't like it this way is because of the open wall. You're talking about putting your...
We're going to have to drill a few
sconces.
more holes in the walls. What's a few holes?
Nothing.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay.
Don't stop me.
Too late, it's on you. And?
I don't know. I'm very indecisive at the moment.
Okay. So I've put it up portrait for her. Stand back and a lot of plain wall there.
That's because the sconces are going to go up.
Shall I hold one up?
Yes, do it.
You hold a phone, it looks a lot lighter. I'll take the heavy. Where'd you put it?
Floor.
Oh, here we go.
Look at the mess you've made.
Oh my word. Right, left or right?
Right. Left.
Oh, Jesus. Here we go again.
I think it needs to be closer.
Coming over here now. Because I'm out the way of it.
I think we need to put candles in it to see.
I'm not waiting that long.
Hold on a sec.
What do you think then, Dad? How does it look in here?
Heavy. Yeah, so we can't decide whether dining room or here, but I think now, ask Mum, I think she likes the idea of it against the lamp here. It really brings out this.
Mum, thoughts?
Sconce.
I really like the sconce in here and also next to the lamps. Look, how many holes is it? 2?
Yeah,
Do it.
You can fill them.
do it. So is that a good height?
I think so. My only concern is if the table is going to be that height, the lamp is very close to the sconce. But I don't know what you're doing in here yet.
Okay, well let's work with that first and then see how it looks.
Well, it's missing a candle, but obviously you get the gist of it. But the sun, we get so much sunlight through this side of the house. And then actually the sun will eventually come through this window here as well. We're starting to now. It really does sparkle up the crystals. Would you agree?
I would agree.
I think it looks really good actually. So definitely in this room.
Obviously, we'll be covering up the wires for the old wall lights with a plate and paint the green in here is just too dark.
Yes. That's on your next to-do list. But anyhow, I think that works. I don't see any reason to put that in the other room, so we've still got to consider the portrait or landscape on the mirror, but we're going to live with that for the moment. But let's get the other one up. I did forgot to mention, actually, I made my life so much easier than messing around with brackets before, just using my 3D printer. So I just quickly knocked up a bracket on the printer, put that against the wall, and these are solid like metal actually, so it's worked really well. So let's crack on. Cool, Carol, you're wasting away. Nothing on? Oh, hang on. There you are. But you're still wasting away.
So transparent. I just bought myself a pot.
Pink.
No, so we had an idea. I fell in love. You may have remembered, Adrian mentioned it a couple of weeks ago, about something I'd found, and I was going to do a mural on this wall. And it was in these colours, this and gold. And it looked absolutely beautiful. Trouble was, it was very expensive. It was 3 meters high, which meant we cut off about that much of the pattern at the bottom, which seemed a complete waste. So we've gone away from that idea. We might show you it anyway, see what you think.
You're going to stick tissue paper up instead.
Might use it somewhere else. But we've changed direction. I love this pot. I love that colour. And for those that know me, you've seen this before.
You love that stuff.
I love Lincruster. This is Wallpaper. It's rubber. And I love William Morris. And when they put these two together, I thought, oh my goodness, I have to have it. Didn't work in the chateau, obviously. We had to move.
But you still wanted Lincruster.
But I never got rid of this sample.
No, exactly.
Now this green was from the dining room in the chateau. It's little green amberside, something like that. And these are the effects that I did on it with the scumble glaze and some gold on the bottom one, if you can see.
You can.
Oh look, it matches all in with me.
Yeah, you're looking very colour coordinated today.
So it was Black Friday, 30% off. I missed it because I couldn't decide whether to have the mural or not. It passed me by. Really disappointed. So I thought, you don't ask, you don't get. I phoned up Wallpaper Direct, asked them, pleaded with them, and they give me the 30% off. So it meant I could afford the Lincruster. So we've got 2 rolls of this coming on its way. It comes to about there. It's 2 different patterns. This one is just about a foot at the bottom, and then it goes into the willow boughs. And then this is the colour, the amberside, which we're going to have there.
Goes so well with the gold.
It does go well with the gold.
It does.
It's going to be dark.
I don't dislike that in the dining room.
It's not how I envisaged, I can't even say it, but I don't do it.
Envisaged.
This house being so dark, but by the end of the day, I want this on at least this wall in preparation for this turning up next week.
So you're saying watch this space?
I just like the smell of it.
What is the delivery schedule, you say?
Oh, 7 to 10 days.
Oh, how are you going to wait that long?
No.
Not good.
You might find I get this up on the wall and think, oh my goodness, it's really dark.
Please don't say that.
Time will tell.
Excellent. Well, you've got a big smile on your face, so I'm happy.
And then I have 2 mirrors either side. Now you will recognise them if from days gone by at the chateau. That will go either side. And maybe a sconce or 2 or a candle, we'll see.
Bear with us. Or bear with Carol, not me. Well done, darling.
So as you can see, I'm using Johnstone's paint because it is a third of the price of expensive paint. I won't say what. And it is unopenable by the look of it. Jeez.
Yeah.
So I've had it mixed. And that looks like the right colour. As you can see, it's been mixed. It's still got the white around the top.
That looks way lighter than it did on the wall. That's definitely green.
Not such a bad thing.
Yeah, so that's definitely green. On the wall it looked a bit grey.
Yes, I'm going to use my small paint tray in my roller
You're going to use a big paintbrush.
because that's what I like to work with.
Seems to be a lot of noise coming out of here. What's going? Oh, Beth, you're working still. Oh, Carol, you're still working. Guess what? You're in your pyjamas still.
Me too!
Are you?
Yeah, look!
What's going on in this family? My God.
People are going to think we never get out of our pyjamas.
We don't.
Do you get out of your pyjamas?
I don't.
It's the end of the day. Hey, who doesn't go home and put their pyjamas on at the end of the day?
Okay, I'm going to ask this question. Did you actually go out of the house today?
No, but I had a job interview.
She did
Let's
her
say that-
job interview in her
Did you go out of
Yeah,
the house
yeah.
today?
But-
That's why I've got makeup
In
on.
a job interview, they only see you from the waist up, so I'm business on top and comfortable on the bottom.
And lazy underneath. Anyhow, my darling, I can see you've already started. We've only discussed this a few minutes ago. Can you reach, or do you want your tower back from Terry?
I just wait for the oven to warm up.
Why, is that going to make you reach higher?
Oh, you idiot.
Do you know what I've just realised?
Things expand when they get warmer.
Every time Mum decides to do something in this room, it's late in the evening with your pyjamas on, just because she's bored.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah. So what is the plan here? Cutting in and then painting tomorrow.
I'm just going around the edges while I wait for the oven to warm up.
But you are painting tomorrow. Please tell me that.
Yes.
Okay.
But it's really dark, isn't it?
No, I actually think it needs that in here. The only thing that I will
Do
say,
you want to do the coving?
Oh,
I don't know what
thought
you're doing with
about
that.
coving.
that's your department.
What are you doing with the coving?
I think it should stay white for the moment. But I am struggling to get a straight line where the plaster is a bit like that.
Yeah,
What
the
about
covering's a
the-
bit like that.
What about the baseboard?
That stays white.
It does.
Yeah, I can't have it too dark.
My spanner in the works would be
Ceiling. You want me to paint the ceiling as well?
the curtain.
Well, hold on a minute.
So while you've got the oven on tomorrow, could you wrap up some curtains for us in here?
Hang on, what's your contribution to this room,
I'm
Dad?
holding a camera.
It just sounds like you're being the boss.
Yes, I am. Just flown back at lunchtime from work. I'm just going to see how Carol's getting on with the wowzer. Is it safe to come in? Ooh.
Right.
Well, you're doing all the walls then. Right, okay, everyone.
I wasn't sure if you realised that. I just said to Bethany, I'm not sure if Dad realises I'm doing this wall as well.
Well, I didn't. I thought you were just doing the two end walls. Let me have a look. Oh, wow. I tell you what, that colour I absolutely love. And it really goes with the furniture and the gold clock.
Nice and patchy, isn't it?
Oh, I love the effect. I mean, if I'd asked you to do that effect, never, but that effect is amazing. Do you think everyone else will like that effect?
I've done a colour wash on someone's wall in orange before.
You did a shop in Farnham, Surrey.
Did I?
Yeah, you did. And I won't mention a name on there, but you did a wash on a wall and it was incredible. But anyhow, going back to our wall, I absolutely love that colour. So, crumbs. Blown away, speechless.
What, better than the pink?
No, I quite like the birds. I was wondering if there's any way we can put some birds back on that wall. I don't think so. You're number one for the trade, apparently. So it says. Thank you, Richard. You've obviously from the paint shop, trying to get a bit of sponsorship there. What is it? Brewers. Okay. Right, I'll leave you to carry on, but I'm glad I came back now. How many coats will that need out of curiosity?
So when I did a burgundy colour a long time ago in our bedroom, it took 3 coats. Dark colours take more coats.
Seems that way.
So definitely, obviously 2, but possibly 3. But I've got so much paint, it doesn't matter.
Oh, this room has suddenly gone from scratching head to actually getting exciting. I'm really looking forward to seeing you get the Linguesta.
You and Bethany are more excited than I am.
I am. Well, why not? Right, okay, enough talking. I'll let you get on.